The INEOS Grenadier will have an adventure just to get home. We've got no roads, no railway. It's going to be fun with a capital F. Get this. How's that?
Yeah, 39.
Sleeping.
Yes, back.
Having received permission from the Roads Authority to evacuate Tarcoola, the Grenadier and Barton Gold teams prepared to tackle the flooded roads in convoy back to the Stewart Highway. After being stranded for several days, it would be the first time that the team had experienced the full extent of the flood damage to the trail. Despite setting off with realistic ideas as to how heavily damaged the roads would be due to the torrents, the reality was even more treacherous than expected. After a minor setback and a return favour from the previous day, the team pressed along the trail and continued towards home.
Yeah, if you just pull out the way, I'll go right back to the water. I will, mate. Yeah, I'll wait till the sling's picked up.
Finally, making it to the Stewart Highway, the team's relief to be back on solid ground was indicative of the ordeal they'd been through over the last week. This was, however, short-lived, as converging storm fronts flooded the main north-south highway in Australia, cutting the country in two and forcing the team to backtrack for the night. The next morning, advised by local authorities that the floodwaters have subsided enough for four-wheel drive vehicles to safely wade through, their team's journey could, once again, resume homeward.
What an adventure.
The Grenadier Trails team had set out to complete a testing journey in a region already regarded as home to some of Australia's toughest terrain. In reality, what they received was so much more. A journey requiring grit, determination and capability from personnel and vehicle in equal measure, on a trail that truly proved its purpose.